My name is Mark Bowles, and I'm here to show my 1965 compact vacuum cleaner, a brand it's no longer made. It later went to TriStar somehow. I don't know the exact origin, but what I will do is do a brief vacuuming under the chair. There always seems to be dirt under it, no matter what. I'm going to get this dusting brush. I'll put that on. And let's see, pull it just a little bit that way. Okay. All right. And this is the original dusting brush from 1965. Put this on. It's a little, there we go. There, all right. Now the switch is sort of a connection with the handle right here. You just press. Probably going to do it without always remedy here. Now I will clean the brush off a little bit. And here's the example of the suction. Okay, there you go. Say the thing runs like a song.